This niche on Etsy is about to explode in sales. And if you don't have designs in your shop right now, you could be missing out on a huge opportunity to make sales today. And in today's video, I share with you how to get prepared for the summertime niche that has a ton of products that you can start creating and selling right now. And these products are just not good for t-shirts, but these products are also good to sell on sweatshirts. As you can see, there are a couple designs that's already taken off. And in today's video, I share with you how to use some AI tools to help you speed up your design process, to help you create and sell these products even faster. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll share with you the exact prompts we use to help us create these top trending products you can start utilizing right now on your Etsy business. I want to share this all with you coming up next. Now, the main place that we're going to use today to help us sell these products is Printify. And specifically for this niche here, we're definitely going to focus on the t-shirts and sweatshirts. As you can see, there are a ton of products you can use, but specifically, we're just going to focus on these two. Now, we already see these products to do extremely well on Etsy, which is the main reason why we definitely want to start selling these products. And as you can see here, they have everything from t-shirts as well as sweatshirts we can get started creating and selling right now. So if you want to get started with Printify on your own, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below, as well as a discount code to utilize the Printify premium version, where you're able to get these products at a major discount, helping you keep more profit in your pocket in the long run. Again, I'll make sure I leave all this down in my description box below. So if you are thinking about getting into Etsy, one of the best places to prepare for right now is definitely the summertime niche. As you can see here, there are a ton of products that's doing well. And when we do our product research, specifically what we want to look at are these popular nows and best-selling products here, because these are the type of things we know the marketplace is definitely buying. And they're just not creating these for t-shirts, but they're also creating these for sweatshirts as well, which we can see the popular nows and bestsellers are all over this. The designs really don't have to be much. This one here just says the beach is my therapy. And even on the t-shirts here, as we can see, the designs are very simple, but yet they're selling extremely well. This one here, 24 sales in the last 30 days, and 3 people bought it in the last 24 hours. And there's multiple products just like this that's going to do well. So we definitely want to do two things. Number one, we definitely want to identify what is selling well, but then create that design we can start selling ourselves. Now, what's going to help us speed this entire process up is utilizing some AI tools. But we definitely want to go into Printify to make sure we create this in the proper product here. And we're going to use the Bella+Canvas t-shirt, and we're going to use Kittle to help us design this utilizing the proper space here. So with that being said, we can jump over into Printify. We're going to select the Bella+Canvas 3001 series. And specifically what I want to look at here is the size of the canvas, so that when you are creating this in whatever design software you're using, we have that proper size to make sure everything is lined up properly for our Etsy product. So if you are utilizing Kittle like I am, we'll simply head over to new project. We'll head over to custom size, and then we'll add in that size that we gathered from Printify, which is 3951 by 4800 pixel. And this is going to give us the proper canvas size that we can start creating and designing right now. All right, so one of the places that we're going to go to actually create this prompt for the design is jump over to my membership. This is where I have my creative prompt AI tool, which is going to help us find the proper prompt for a top trending design. And simply how this works is that we can copy a mock-up image and paste that into this creative prompt AI software. And then the software will analyze the entire design and give us a creative prompt. And then from there, we're going to grab this creative prompt and then remix this to be our own. So this is definitely going to help us speed up this entire process. As you can see here, we can also upload 10 at a time, but just for today's video, we're definitely just going to just grab one image and paste it in here. And this is that image we know that is going to do extremely well. And here is the prompt that we gathered here. And as you see here, it brought up some great things for us to create and design. And let's just say if there is something in the prompt that we don't necessarily want here, like the golden necklace that it did pick up, we can simply go into edit prompt, go over to the bottom where the pencil tool is, and remove that last portion here and hit done. And now this prompt is good to go. We can copy this and now upload this into Kittle, and we can see what we get as a result. So we'll head over to Kittle AI. We'll go into their ideogram version where this is going to be great for text. And we add in our text here that we grab from the creative prompt tool. We're going to simply hit generate image. And as you can see, that came out extremely well. Brought up the same type of distressed text with our design. I think this is great for us to start creating and selling on our Etsy shop. Now, we can go back into this tool as well and actually update the prompt to fit maybe a different theme, or just remix the entire prompt to make it something different, just to add in something that's different with our design to make it stand out. With that being said, we can remix the prompt simply by going into the chat here, and the only thing we're going to do is just change what this prompt says. And instead of it saying summer vibes, let's just say if we came across a cruise life shirt that is doing extremely well, and we definitely want to add this type of style into that niche, then we'll simply go in here and say change the words. You say cruise life, and now only thing we have to do here is hit enter. And now you can see that the entire prompt changed here. Again, it still brought in the same type of themes and the colors in the overall style, but it did change the text where we now see it say cruise life as opposed to it saying summer vibes. And so this is definitely an added bonus here to make sure that we are changing up these top trending prompts and definitely recreating the design to make it specifically for a niche, or just add in something that may not have been there in the original prompt. So that being said, we'll go ahead and copy this, add this back over into Kittle. We're going to double our artboard, and then we're going to see what we can gather by putting in that new prompt that says cruise life. We're going to hit generate again, and we're going to see what we gather as a result. And as you can see here, that definitely brought in a similar style to what we already had here. Still brought in those type of colors, but it just simply changed the text to fit something we know that can sell just as well. And again, the only thing we told the prompt to do is to change out the words cruise life. But as you can see, it definitely still brought in those same type of colors, still type of palm trees here. And this could be a whole new product line we can definitely create. Again, we want to follow what's trending, but definitely re-engineer that to be focused on a different niche, or even a different phrase we can start adding to our design. We can go in even further, and we can take this same prompt that we changed, and we can now make this even further to fit this niche of cruise life. Now we simply told the remix prompt to add a cruise ship in the design. So it's going to take the remix prompt here, remix it even further by simply adding this cruise ship in it. And we're going to hit send, and now it's going to redesign our prompt. Again, still focusing on cruise life, still focusing on all the major themes and design styles, but it's definitely going to add in that cruise ship. So we simply copy this, go back into Kittle. Now we're going to change this out for that cruise type of design here. We're going to hit generate, and this is the new design we gathered. Again, simply by telling the prompt here, just add in a cruise ship into the design, and we have it here. And we can go further by saying make it the cruise ship colorful, or we can simply hit regenerate here with Kittle and get a different design. But as you can see, this is definitely something we can play around with and really make these prompts that we simply gathered from this simple design here to truly make it our own. But for today's example, we'll go ahead and stick with this shirt here, as I think that is perfect for our design. So from here, we're going to go ahead and just remove the background with Kittle. So we go to background remover, and now this is perfect for our on-demand product. I like to make sure everything is lined up properly. If we want to go further by adding in some personalization, we can simply add in some text as well. We can put the person's name, the family name, or the year. We can change the text as well. And again, this is something that we can definitely add to our design if we're trying to add in personalization. So with that being said, everything is done here. We're going to actually keep the personalization on this design here. We'll head over to share, we'll head over to download, and we want to specifically choose artboard 2, as that is going to be our primary design. We're going to remove the background, hit download, and now we're going to jump back over into Printify here. We're going to grab the design that we created, and now we have a brand new design here. We can start selling on our Etsy shop. Again, the design came out extremely well here. Where it says cruise life, we added in the personalization of the year 2025. As you can see, the DPI setting is perfect with that 300 DPI. And we can go in here and see what this looks like once it is printed out. And I think that came out extremely well, and definitely something we can start creating and selling on our Etsy shop. And here is another design that we created here simply by utilizing the creative prompt tool. We found a top selling shirt, grabbed over the prompt, plug that into Kittle. As you can see here, we gather our design, and we plug this into a sweatshirt this time with Printify. And when we head over to preview, as you can see, that came out extremely well. It's definitely something we can start creating and selling as well on our on-demand products. And as you can see, we were able to create this literally within seconds just by grabbing the prompt here, plugging this into Kittle, and definitely applying this to our print on demand product. So there's a lot of opportunities to start selling these type of summer products. Definitely something I would encourage you to look at and start creating for summer of 2025. Creating designs with AI and Printify could be a wonderful combination for you to actually create amazing products you can start using right now on your Etsy shop. And these are the strategies I talk about in my step-by-step guide to Etsy sales. It is my guide of over 20 pages that will share with you exactly what you need to do help you gain consistent daily sales on Etsy, and I share with you 4 exclusive videos that take you even further into how to start making consistent sales on Etsy. If you want to get access to my super simple guide to Etsy sales, simply put in the comment section below the word sales, and I'll be happy to send this over to you today. And check out this next video here where I share with you another top trending product you can use right now, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.